Akwaba. I couldn't say
Yamiadum now, sir.
Yamiadum, yes, you're here.
I'm saying you're late.
Understandable, say, Enchimuni dear. You played on behalf of you,
opposition Cassan. Now, then, I'm minister. Maybe I am so wedding can Cassam.
What one thing as I'm not?
Maybe baby, I know Cassam, maybe not chinty. But man,
I bit myself about Cacra.
Oh, time in tea.
Okay.
Henna no more.
We are in them.
It's in the oh, okay. And me, Mamentia, I don't see your phone and I'm in Chalrabo. Your power, many Jinapo. I said it, say, me as a baboon. Yen I wish and well, say. Jumedia Mampenia deal with more Diamano or be succeeding. And every reasonable Ghanaian be that is how I was soldier. But Galamsey fights and all. I support it 100%. But I don't support see a fight arena and also I could create a problem on my because Oceans has a idea and effort. And President Akufo-Addo the first time he started a battle. You and Nana Galamsey no more dinner by Sunkunim because the party impending for Nina Dodwana Galamsey. Yamanamakai. 3 days ago, Canada, Japan crack can be next 2. Abronye this is what can be woven to me. Me in a video on my phone. So clearly, no, if you mean business to fight Galamsey, you that verbal argument now, and I see they know themselves. That is the fact.
I say, a small tune for count and they are
tune for the diplomatic culture of silence and commode corn. Your Tatans and Trof one Ghana for anti agreement share. What he said is right. Now they're granted. Say, I see a pyramid to a challenger. Near share or round table, you have discussion. One out you tune for the uncle. Or also when it trim for becoming a solve a problem. But what your statement, the question is somewhat. Meaning you should go to what you people are saying. That is how the fight is. So the knee-jerk approach, you make any progress. Mimi who is as much as a formula ya basi ya ni abohenya. Ni more legal
man. Former lands
minister. Abronya na kan. Ombasi no mabohenya obi anya adwuma ne ade.
So there Abronya so a failure.
Na me na man appointment. Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, on why a failure because one and then buy into Mampeni na failure and Yasumakra. So your bohenya near my minus Nakotenefi. Once you sack small scale need Galamsey for in a boom. Your just was an office now. Kaja connection man for my no curfew. The same approach. In Untina excavators no much share extra why now means support. I don't support it. It doesn't matter, say, the CMPP National Women Organizer there. You know, America. I'm not dealing with the persona of Nippon or Ejum. The issue is, are we fighting illegal mining or fighting legal mining? What am I saying? Because one, you're fighting illegal mining now. You're the fiat and I cave your diabeton say, see, who ever she will feed you. Obi illegal business. One man a license to operate. Just renew our documents now, me who be no. Okay, renewal just a March, none one day. On 13th of this very month, Omocho letter the command lands minister, Minister Penny Jinapo. Say at least a more operation, I'm mobile this jurisdiction. Only a illegal business, a large scale mining here. Then you go and bend the machines. At the end of the day, no NDC for your be paying. Your question won't to me machines. Or the echo court. Your judgment debt. At the amount. Judgment debt. Judgment debt na you the man. I am any one for genuine ramble. You taxes in the idea. You're the man. And to your man, legal businesses, excavators. President Akufo-Addo and soon you be not the excavator tax about I was here to your mocha. What are we doing as a country? Yes, separating illegal mining from legal business and fight it war. You're combining a Belusu battle now. Because we know those doing legal mining. And I said, say your foot in Afra. Your foot to Afra. That is what we are doing now. Maybe the emotion I am here because me share that. Initially, I was happy. But after saying me intercepted documents, or more near man, because you know our system, because of we had DBF free sample concrete, free double chrome concrete, no, we be betting your budget prospecting license. So, no, they are question me district. Nananum crane man the cry air prospecting. The door name names I name the and a good a good deal. Or quite no too good. So initially I thought say company no makwa share omonyama no mo ye prospect na bi o mafa ho ye den A2 when me ko say omo kita licenses e kire say omo ye den mining company no mo start operation 2006 yes
2006 no mo
so I was so worried na me say no, let's be careful Jinapo, else Galamsey for no be fight, because you can't fight these small scale miners. I spoke to one dealer in excavator. I say excavator biano operators mienu na ye ho adwuma. At the end of every month, we will be 6,000 Ghana cedis. No, ne sites or one, ne workers about 200 or a small scale miner. Because now I want to know a lot. No, catch me say Eric, ye juma na ye no. Ye ma licenses in Umpono. Wouldn't be a was away. Because one year they'll revoke your license. So now, say you fight Galam say near the real legal mining business now. Minerals Commission, what do you do? Because for the Minerals and Minings Act now, of course, section 25-26, it talks about offenses. Say, I'm on license. I'm over any who quite saw you. Of course, section 27, the country was say, oh, from Sanya Mana, yet me do Kujina court. You confiscate your assets. Until be a one man license to operate, checking Nipano in a legal perspective. Obi a all illegal business, deal with the person with the caveats and what they are told. They should be distinct.
Okay.
But see, combine this. We are using the caveats. Fight them with the law. Yes. Deal with them.
And yes, directive number.
No problem. They should deal with them.
Okay.
And you see, these military guys there now, I'm call redemption war. The anti-Americans are say the first fight no Mokoya. Ekodane watch bidi. And the connection man for influence or munina. Interior and almost or mudia say.
Why not connection man?
I buy more penny for people paying for. Don't do a connection man for. You see, until this time around, no.
What castle will be a connection man?
Your castle will be a connection man for women and I'm in phone call and I'm in China. Yeah, I'm a forest and I say no. China for number money more than that. And they could Jacobu for it. They are where people are mining. Why I don't know call. A man say they know. Intermediate, only me better than see a best of Galam say, I'm a expert. And I'm in more Minerals Commission. But I know the laws there. And to say Nipana Yedi Asudia Mano, so near Juma in the interest of Ghanaians. And no name complaining say in Suasea. No be a legal business, no was saying Suasea Nipan can was your jelly.
I think
what are you doing there? Intermediate, I support the fight, but we should be very careful because there's a precedent. Yet your judgment depth be. There's a precedent because I don't think I see you America. Oh, baby, case and work of a KCBS, and not their support.
Judicial precedent.
That is it. Until your best minage Napo, Nene entourage, need to medio Mudino. We support him, but you should be very careful. Say, at the end of the day, Uncle yes, your Kogu banks near the taxes are Basagana for in entry and Enfam Kutia Sakano. A baby near Bemaya towards the entry, near she excavators and was the H. Kutia. It is possible. Because then we are there to GDP, baby, and then yeah, I just go and you may be a say in so walkos, can you walk everything full. And not pay member, taxi driver, them about say on the filling station here, filling a tank or her pump. Because the better and say the attendant trouble, papa, because 2 seconds no boy, are they? And you may walk us. As at now, it's a force to cross here, so with all this hardship, say you're distant. Way from way, near crash your money in a boma. I feel a hardship in a year west. Until I support fight against Galamsey, which is the illegal mining business. But those operating in a legitimate manner, we should know how to tackle them.
All right.
So they bear and create a problem.
All right.